Hi guys, I was onto a crowd called Overland Protection Systems. I actually came across them earlier today on Facebook. I've never come across them before. They've got some really cool stuff, roof tents and all sorts of gubbins. So I got onto them about this awning. I'd been toying with the idea of getting an awning for the van for a while, because I was thinking, if we're getting stuck in the rain, we're still going to be stuck inside the back of the van all day, and it's like it just makes more sense to have a small little bit of shelter where we can get out and have shade from the sun, have an area where we can eat, all that sort of stuff. So this to me was a no-brainer. It was very reasonably priced. It wasn't in the least bit expensive. So it was a sort of how would I describe, with all the sort of the cutbacks and the shortcuts that I'd made in terms of finances on the van, I wanted something nice to give us a bit of comfort when we're out on the road. So guys, delighted with this. It took me 10 minutes to fit it, literally. 2 brackets. It's got like a universal fitting set up. It'll fit any roof rack. They've got brackets for everything, so it's very well equipped. I had it up in 5 minutes. It was actually not that difficult at all to put up. So there you go, guys. One awning set up and all ready to go, and we're nearly ready for road. Okay, see you later, guys. Bye bye.